Popcaan, you see you? You have a touch of bad mind in you. You, Popcaan and Rule Boss, you have a touch of bad mind in you.
I try. The best that I can.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, pick up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV. Yes, man, anyone there in the world, blessed love, guidance and protection, and I hope all is well and this visual finds you all in the best of health. Is it me? Yes, man, coming up in this episode, I don't know, we're going to review a song named I Try by Bounce and Wippa Demus. Yeah, man, the visual is where you see a display on the screen right now. I Try. Very inspirational song, motivational song. Saying, we also have a brother named J Progress. I said, Popcaan, have a touch of bad mind in him. So, I'm going to hear what the brother say. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you don't know, before we get into that, I'm going to ask you, please, and remind you, if you don't subscribe to the channel yet, please consider doing so. And make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss a content when I drop one. See what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, we're not going to ad break this time, yeah? We just go straight into the song right now. We're going to look a snippet and we can go check out the song saying, I Try. Yeah, man. So, let's go now, man.
Yeah. You don't know, you know. We not stop try, don't Dr. Cave. Get to you. Upliftment. Let it go, Dr. Cave.
Yes, man, we go for trying people. You know, who not gonna like that song, yeah? Bounce featuring Wippa Demus, I Try.
I try. The best that I can.
Remember, nothing better failure but a try. And within myself, I know some try. Yeah, man.
I try. The best that I can.
Remember the saying, Beyonce saying, first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again.
I'm praying for the poor, they need it today. Go down on my knees, help them, Father, please. They need some prayer to uplift their soul. The half have never been told, so you got to be yours.
Yes, my people, want to listen to Bounce prayer, you know. The man said, I pray and I ask Father God for help. The people we are pray to, the people in need, the poor and the needy, the homeless, you know, the hungry. Everybody, Bounce I pray for another song, yeah. And you don't know, you know, a faith move mountains, you know. So just go on with the faith, my people.
Some get the warning, still moving out of control. Control. Better must come.
Yes, man, better must come one day. Go on with the faith. It's never too late. So I say, just go out there, go look your honest bread, and just know, say, one day, things must get better.
I try. The best that I can.
Yeah, man, that's Bounce I say him try. And it's not lie. You see me? The song is also produced by Bounce also. Wippa Demus. Forward and talk to the people.
Tell you about upliftment, me tell you about upliftment. Tell the government we clean the gully and the trench. Upliftment, me tell you about upliftment. Build some factory for the youth them then. Upliftment, me tell you about upliftment. Did they get to you, them want some money if it's spend.
Yo, yeah, the man voice, man. Yo, Wippa Demus, my voice look like it not right. Yo, Wippa Demus have a piece of voice. The man say, upliftment, tell about upliftment. Tell the government to clean the gully and the trench them. See me upliftment. You them want some factory, build some factory and some schools and more job opportunities for the kids, for the youths them. You see me? They get to use them want money to spend. Yo, Wippa Demus, big up yourself. Real talk, real message.
We clean about the killing and the crime rate down. Some US, some Euro and some English pound. Cause sick up on the verbs and miss it to the pronoun. Sick up Mr. Demus and Bounce in the town.
Yes, yes, me not like Jabounce and Wippa Demus in town. Me like the song. Viewers and subscribers, one of the things so far in the song, the lyrical content. Let me know in the comment section below. You see me? Yes, man, the song coordinate well. You don't know Jabounce with the singing voice and Mr. Wippa Demus with the big old tough trailer voice. Yes, man, he bad, man. Me like him, man. No exaggeration, a real talk, and the song filled with message and upliftment. Yeah, man.
Teach you get the youths them fi don't look around. Fi not fi be no gopher and don't bounce around. And if you make a mistake in the system, you're down.
I try.
Yes, my people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when you hear what Wippa Demus say, don't loaf around, don't be no bluffer, don't joke around, because if you make a mistake in the system, you drown. Real talk.
I try the best that I can.
Yes, man, so the song titled I Try, Jabounce featuring Wippa Demus. Zane, produced by Jabounce. You see me and say? I'm going to leave the link in the description with the song so you can go listen to the video, watch the video fully and support the artist them. So me and say? But yeah, man, but positive song, I like it. I feel inspired because I know it's a long time I try, years I try every little thing, you know. Yes, man, but the struggle is real, the fight is real. But stay firm in your mind and don't give up on the battle to fail. You see me and say? Alright. Moving on now, J Progress. Say Popcaan about the bad mind in him. So here J Progress I say, and you can leave on the comment in the comment section if you agree with him. See? Alright. Yeah, man.
The unruly boss. Good artist. Good artist are do well for yourself, Popcaan. But Popcaan is an artist I rate still. But not because I rate your Popcaan, I now come to tell you the truth. Popcaan, you see you? You have a touch of bad mind in you. You, Popcaan unruly boss, you have a touch of bad mind in you. Alright? You go post a picture now with your entourage where you bring on stage. Right? Caption. It's like them have memory loss. Popcaan. Why the bumbo clot your bad mind Valiant? Eh? What you do for the artist really, Popcaan, to send the artist really a road? Big up man like Vibes Cartel. You see when you do something for your artist, it's when you put them to the forefront 100%. It's like you go so boom and take 2 steps back and push them artists they forward. Me no see you do that for Valiant. When you want to talk about man they push artists forward, you talk about Vibes Cartel who help you to make you there where you're there. Big up man like Squash Man same way. Big up man like Bounty Killer same way. You see what me I deal with? And big up man like Idonia. We take 2 steps back and push governor forward till governor thing take off. Squash Man, you see him deal with the 6 them already. Popcaan, what you do for artists? You see enough of no artists? Uno just like have a bag of man a follow back a uno. When the man they have loads of talent, uno still not give them no strength, brother. Uno want the man them to follow back a uno for carry uno bag, for pour uno liquor, for cut up uno spliff, and come like uno want the man them for wipe uno sweat when uno sweat, brother. Uno not give the man them no strength. But you see, anytime the man them push out and make it on their own, uno jump up and say the man them no remember where them a come from. When all long uno have the man them with the talent run uno, a follow back a uno like a bag boy or a spliff man them. You see me I say, or a bartender them. What you do for Valiant? From Valiant go catch it at. It ain't gone. It come like your bad mind turn up towards the youth. Because everybody a member who are going with Valiant and see that there. But Popcaan, me know about you, you know. Me know about you, Popcaan. You see where Valiant go do what they here? Got the National Stadium for Jamaica Independence Celebration and lift up the whole of the National Stadium. Everybody a sing along, everybody a dance along. Popcaan, them the glory there, you like them the kind of glory there. Your name want the whole of Jamaica chat about Valiant the next day. Say Valiant lift up a whole place and have a place lock. Brother, every man have them time. Popcaan, you make a whole of your money already. Popcaan, you reach out. Make some other artists try, brother. Brother, you not do nothing for Valiant and send the man a road. A whole heap of artists, me say bring entourage up on stage, follow back at them. Cause uno a look man for protect uno head back. Uno a look man for bill uno spliff. Uno a look man for walk uno no bag. Uno a look man for pour uno liquor. You see what me I say? Uno a look some yard boy and some follow back a man. Why you think Valiant left from around you? Look how you and Quadda used to move good and Quadda left from around you. Eh? Popcaan just cool no man. And you know the worst thing? Uno always come and say the man them bad mind Uno and this and that. But man have pitney fi feed. Man a try to look a career just like Uno too. And Uno boss way out there in the wider world. Where all it take if you push the artists them to the forefront and give them little strength and tell one and two of the producer them were rate to say vice the man put the man pan a rhythm here releasing song but Uno not do it because Uno always want to be at top all the while and feel like say that hype they go stay forever. Bun it a bun in a Popcaan. You have a bitter bad mind in you in unruly boss. As much as how me rate you as an artist in a brother you do good music in a Popcaan. Me have to tell you the truth, you have a touch of bad mind in you. I know the first me hear you come out and talk something when you see a man and get the spotlight. Remember, you know, TJ when come out and say your name one, the man from Burna Boy show in a Popcaan. No feel like the people they forget, you know. So we know say you have a touch of bad mind in you, you know. You no want to see no man rise above you, brother. Suppose Vybz Kartel when I pray the same way. We don't know who name Popcaan. If Vybz Kartel when I pray the same way, we wouldn't know a Popcaan. You remember where you are come from. And remember say, if you want to put your stamp your name per man career, you have to give them real strength. And stop having man them where they run you with the talent as bag boy, bartender, and man with bill spliff. You see what I say? Stop have the man them with the talent around you and push them to the forefront and give the man them some real strength. And then you can come talk say, yo, a man them a come from the unruly camp. And if you remember where them a come from. But until then, brother, love the youth them with make them rise now unruly boss. You know see you reach out already, brother. You know see your international artist, brother. Love the youth them make them rise and give the youth them for them time. You're not gonna stay at top forever, brother. Give the youth them for them time just like how Vybz Kartel give you for you.
Okay, we've come to the end of the vlog. J Progress, big up yourself, real talk. You make some real talk still, and who feels it knows, that's all I have to say. But anyway, the game big, we all know that. You see me I say, everybody come and get a slice. But some artists, some people, if you stay beneath them, build them spliff, you know, wipe them sweat. Every little thing where you hear J Progress, I say, I saw it run. You see me I say? Yes, man, and every artist where you see out the real. Not for them want hold long people. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yeah, man. Boom, bang.
I try. The best that I can.
Anyway, you nothing.